Welcome to an inspiring math video. I am Francisco Peperal. In this video, we'll be covering volume of pyramids. There are 4 pyramids that will be focused on: the square base pyramid, the rectangle base pyramid, the circle base pyramid, the triangle base pyramid. Now first we have a square base pyramid. A square base pyramid, if you notice, there is a little square. The blue part is a square, that's the base. And a square has all sides equal. So we label a side and it has a particular height for the pyramid. Let us say that this would be 9 meters and the height is approximately 12.5 meters. Okay, so the formula for the volume will be 1/3 area times height. 1/3 area times height for any pyramid. Now, 1/3 times the area of the square, which is side, times the height. So we have 1/3 times the side, which is 9 meters, times the side, which is 9 meters, times the height, which is 12.5 meters. Okay, multiplying all of that in our calculator will give us 9 times 9 times 12.5. We divide that by 3 because it's 1/3. So we have 337.5 meters to the 3rd power. So that will be the volume of the square base pyramid. It's 1/3 of the entire volume of a prism with the same dimensions. Now we want to focus on a rectangle base pyramid. Slightly different. The length is, or one of the sides is longer. For a rectangle base pyramid, we have a rectangular shape. So we have length, the width, and the height. Length and width is the area of the rectangle. So let us get a few measurements here. So let's consider the length to be 15.1 meters, the width to be 9.3 meters, and the height to be 11.4 meters. All right, as I previously mentioned, the volume of any pyramid is 1/3 the area times the height. So we will write 1/3 times the area, which will be length times width, times the height. That's length times width for the area of the rectangle. So volume is equals to 1/3 times the length, which is 15.1 meters, times the width, which is 9.3 meters, times the height, which is 11.4 meters. Multiplying that in our calculator gives us 15.1 times 9.3 times 11.4, all divided by 3 because it is 1/3. 533.6. So we get 533.6 meters to the 3rd power. So that will be the volume for rectangle base pyramid. Now we have a circle base pyramid, which is also known as a cone. Remember, this is for the volume. So the cone will have a particular height and definitely a radius. 20 meters, and the radius is about 7.3 meters. All right, as I previously mentioned, the formula for the volume is 1/3 area times height. Therefore, we have 1/3 times the area of the circle, which is pi radius squared, times the height. So that gives us 1/3 times 3.14 times the radius 7.3 meters times 7.3 meters times the height 20 meters. Multiplying all of that gives us 3.14 times 7.3 times 7.3 times 20, all divided by 3, 1115.5. Okay, so that would be the volume of a cone or circle base pyramid. Lastly, we have a triangle base pyramid. So we have the triangular base, which we have here as a base, and the height of that triangle. Then we have a second height of the pyramid. Okay, we have two heights, the height for the triangle and the height for the pyramid. So volume is 1/3 area times height. So the volume is 1/3 times the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 base times height, times the height of the pyramid. So we can consider this height 1 and height 2. So volume is equals to, this can be converted to 1/6. 1/3 times 1/2 is 1/6. We multiply it by the base times the height times the height, okay? Here, what I'm doing is I'm rewriting or restructuring that formula. So now let us write in the values, 1/6 times the base, which is 8 meters, times the height of the triangle, which is 7 meters, times the height of the pyramid, which is 9 meters. So multiplying 8 times 7 times 9, all divided by 6 gives 84 meters to the third power. And this is the volume of a triangle-based pyramid. Thank you for watching.